Hello guys, today we're going to use one of this glass from Dollar Tree, and we're also going to use this long ornament that comes in a set of 6. So we're going to go ahead and grab our hot glue, and we're going to place some hot glue. Make sure to place enough hot glue from top to bottom, and then you're going to attach it into the glass. And here make sure you leave like a little gap in between the glass like that, and then just go ahead and attach it into place, and then just continue doing that until you attach the whole glass all the way around it. Then go ahead and grab one of this candle holder, and we're going to take our hot glue, and we're going to put some hot glue around it as well. Then go ahead and attach the glass on top just like that. Then after that, I'm going to take these like little rhinestone beads and they have this at Dollar Tree. Just go ahead and put some hot glue at the bottom, and then attach it to the ornament like that. So you're gonna do this until you attach all the way around as well, and so you do the whole thing. Then once you do the whole thing, just go ahead and place a candle inside, light it up like that. And this is how cute, guys, it turns out. So simple and so easy. This is the first DIY. Now we're going to show you different ways that you guys can do it. So then just go ahead and grab one of this brown floral foam and place it down. I'm going to take this string light, and I'm going to put some hot glue at the bottom. Make sure to leave the switching light whatever place you're doing it, you both, because I'm going to use 2 lights, so make sure to have them both facing the same direction, so it could be easier for you to turn it on and turn it back off. So then after you attach them into place like that, I'm going to grab my lights and just place it around this one. I'm going to take the first one, then just attach it in that place, and then I'm going to do the other one the other side, so one facing different directions. Then go ahead and put some hot glue and attach it into place. Then after that, I'm going to take one of these little round mirrors. I'm going to put some hot glue on top of the light like that, and then just place the mirror on top like that. Then after that, just gonna go ahead and grab the little ornament with the little glass and place it on top. Then I'm gonna take my lights, and I'm just gonna go ahead and place it around it like that. I'm gonna take the first light and place it like that all the way around it, and then I'm gonna take the other light, and I'm gonna do it in different directions, and just go ahead and place it all the way around it until you fix it to your liking, however you guys think it looks nice. Then after you guys place all the way around it, go ahead and grab your flower. You could choose whatever color you do, and I'm going to take some red, and I'm also going to do some white, and I'm just going to go ahead and fill it out all the way around until I do the whole thing around. Then once you fill it up, this is how beautiful you guys it turns out. I hope you guys like this DIY. I think you can also put a little candle inside if you would like to make it something more different, or maybe to give it more light. I hope you guys like this DIY. And now that you can only just leave it like that, you can also make it a little bit taller like this one, and it still looks cute. Now for the next idea, I'm going to grab one of this candle holder. They have it in Dollar Tree, and I'm going to place it upside down like that on top of it. And then after I do that, I'm going to place some floral foam on top of the mirror, and then I'm going to take my flower and just fill it up on the whole thing. And this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. I think this one came out so pretty. This could be like for or party decorations, and I think it will look great. I hope you guys like it. Please comment down below and let me know which one is your favorite out of all of them. Thanks again for watching Special Creations, and let's not forget to like, share, and comment.